Hello everybody, this is Jamie Martin from New England Assistive Technology. As we enter a brand new school year, I wanted to take a couple of minutes to make you aware of a few changes to an assistive technology tool that you may have been using for a while. The tool is called OrbitDoc. Up until a couple of weeks ago, it was known as the Texthelp PDF Reader. Basically, right now, it's a companion extension to read and write for Google Chrome. It has a brand new icon. You can see it on this web page, a little bit larger than in the extension icon itself. Basically, it works the same way, but there's a few new tools and features and more coming that I want to quickly go over with you. It works pretty much the same way as Texthelp PDF Reader worked. You can either open a PDF document from your Google Drive. So you have a PDF document here. You can right-click on that, go to Open With, and then you can either click on Open with Read and Write for Google Chrome, or you can now just click on Open with OrbitDoc, and that will open your document in a new tab in your Chrome browser, and it looks pretty much the same way. It's a little bit of an updated interface, a little more professional looking icons up here. I'm going to get back to those in a second, but I just wanted to show you another new way that you can use to open documents. So there's a brand new dashboard now for OrbitDoc. So previously you could only open documents from your Google Drive. Now if you click on the OrbitDoc extension in your extensions toolbar, it will open up this brand new dashboard for you. And you can either open your PDF document from your Google Drive like you've always been doing, or you can click on this new option for opening a file just from your computer. If they're just using a Windows or Mac desktop computer, you can now upload any file from your computer into OrbitDoc. So that's one new improvement. I think that's a really good improvement. Once you're inside of your PDF document, again, the interface looks pretty much the same. It's just a little bit updated in terms of the appearance, the order of the icons, the order of the tools are a little bit different too, but pretty much it works the same way. There's built-in text-to-speech, so if you have a worksheet, such as this one on 4 kinds of sentences, you can have the words read out loud.
Directions. There are 4 kinds of sentences in the English language: imperative, declarative, exclamatory, interrogative. Write 2 examples of each.
There are other reading tools also, so there's the built-in dictionary, the built-in picture dictionary, the screenshot reader tool if you have inaccessible text in your PDF document, if students have difficulty with focusing while they're reading, they can use the screen masking tool still. So all of that is still there. All of your annotation tools are also still there. So your highlighting tools for highlighting important pieces of information, maybe main ideas, supporting details for a document, that's all still there. You can export those highlights into a Google Doc if you would like. Shapes drawing, freehand drawing, all of that is still there. Your text box tool is still there. They changed the name of that. That used to be called typewriter. Now they've simplified it and is calling it text. Now, Texthelp, the company who makes OrbitDoc, is promising new features coming soon to OrbitDoc. They are not being forthcoming exactly what those features are, but I did look at their website and found something interesting. So if you scroll down here on the Texthelp website, here's the new OrbitDoc toolbar. And all the way over here on the right, those of you who are familiar with Texthelp products will recognize the Equatio icon, which is now in the OrbitDoc toolbar. That will be a huge help for doing math digitally on their devices. So hopefully this won't take you by surprise the next time you open your Chrome browser. Explore it and then be on the lookout for those new features that are coming probably some point during the school year.